In this video, I'll be showing you how to play the Viking Vengeance event in Kingshot. The Viking Vengeance event is a bi-weekly alliance challenge where your alliance defends against 20 waves of AI-controlled Viking troops. The goal is simple: defeat as many Vikings as possible and survive the onslaught. This event is alliance-based only, so you need to be part of an alliance to participate. Only R4 officers and the alliance leader, also known as R5, can enable the event. They can either schedule it automatically or start it manually, depending on what works best for the alliance. Before starting, you can set the difficulty level, choose the mode, and adjust the start time based on your time zone. Once it's activated, everyone in the alliance will be notified that the Viking waves are coming. And that's basically how to play the Viking Vengeance event in Kingshot. Thank you for watching!